Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Eli Ortiz. I am the founder and owner of Royal Love Co. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the fifth soap of this collection, Nature. This soap is inspired of the fifth Chakra stone. The name of the stone is Blue Howlite. It is a beautiful blue stone, and I cannot wait for you guys to see all the process of this video. The soap turns out amazing, and I'm really in love with this soap. So if you like this kind of video, keep watching, subscribe to my channel, and help it to get to a 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers this year. Leave your thumbs up and your comment, and now let's start with the video. Hello guys, welcome to this is the fifth chakra stone. This one it is called blue with black stripe. This one is called the throat chakra. It goes above the collarbone at the neck. The stone is we're gonna be always blue, every different kind of blue, but this one it is beautiful. Look at that. And the healing quality of this stone is communication, self-expression, honesty, reduce anxiety, tension, reduce stress and anger. I think everybody will need this stone, and it's gonna be in my soap, so you can get it. Let me see what else. The fragrance for this soap is I made a combination of aphrodisiac and Beverly Hills Glam. It's 50-50. The smell, it is really fruity with some tone of flowers like rose, sandalwood, cedarwood, amber, lily, jasmine, eucalypt, and grapefruit and mandarin. So it is really fruity, but with a tone of flowers. So it is really for the females, this fragrance. The color that we're going to be using are Key West Blue from my Micas. Also, we're going to be using titanium dioxide to give like a baby blue, to make a baby blue. And we are going to be using active charcoal to give to make the black stripe. Plus the active charcoal, it is amazing to exfoliate your skin. The temperature for this that I like to do my soap are pretty much room temperature. It has to be between 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This one is 81 degrees, it's perfect. And this one is 77 degrees, so it's perfect. So we're gonna put our blender here. Let's just move around to take all the bubbles. And let's pour the water into the soap. Okay, let's close this, very important. And now we're going to mix this for a few seconds. Okay, this is perfect. I like my butter like this, really running. That way I can play with it. Okay, now we're gonna put this inside. If you see this mark in here, I was doing the Spanish version of this video, so don't worry, I will clean after this. Let's separate this in two other containers for the accent color. More, okay. And now we're gonna add the color. For this big one is the base. It's gonna be only blue. So I'm gonna add a lot of blue. Okay. Oops, that's okay. For this one, I'm gonna add blue with Let me add more here. Oh, what happened here? We're gonna add blue with white. We have the white for the titanium dioxide. Okay. And for this one, we're gonna mix a little bit of active charcoal. And it's just a little bit because this active charcoal go a long way. This is how much we're gonna use. Maybe less. Yeah. And now we're gonna add the fragrance. Just a little bit in each container. Put the rest in here. Perfect. And now we're gonna mix the active charcoal by hand first. So we're gonna mix it up by hand. If you are on my Facebook Live, which I'm recording the same way, the same time that my YouTube video, just share this video, please. Help me to get to more people. So we're gonna just mix a little bit. And now we're gonna mix the other color. We're gonna start with this one, with the lighter one first. Okay. Perfect. I like it like that. Like the song. I like it like that. And now we're gonna go with the okay, perfect. I like this blue. It's really nice. It looks really nice. And now we're gonna mix the active charcoal. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add these two small container into the big one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add these two into the big one like this. And we're gonna save this for later. Now they'll add the black. And let's save this for later. Now put them all like this, and we're gonna add everything into this mold. Back and forth. That's beautiful, look at that. So now we're gonna go like this, on this side. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna mix it up later, but let's just add everything. And now this one. Oh, everything is. Hello everybody, who is here on Facebook? I'm recording at the same time I'm talking to you guys. I mixed it. Okay, anyway. Let's put a little bit of black. I used the wrong one, but okay. And I need another spatula. Use this one to take this blue, this pretty blue. Okay, let's take this out of the way. Share this video on Facebook, please. And now we're gonna tap it down. See any bubble will come out. Let me go this way. You see, I have some bubble here. So now move from the edge to the center. This is already hard. That way we're going to place the stone on top. We're going to do like this. Oops, this is too much. From every mold I made 10 soap. And we have to wait 24 to 48 hours to cut the soap. Now what we're gonna do is go like this, and you see I just add a little bit of the active charcoal. Look at all the black, but I think that's just the surface. At the bottom and the center is going to be beautiful. You see that? We're going to just go like that because we're going to place now the stone. And this has a purpose, guys. Esto tiene un propósito en los jabones. This has a purpose on the soap. I'm going to tell you guys after I finish all the soap. Now we're going to place the stone. Each soap going to have one stone. Put it here. Oh, I forgot to spray alcohol. Hold on. Okay. Now we're going to keep adding the stone. Oops. Okay. Nice. This one is so huge. Look at this one. I don't even know. It's not going to fit. So I cannot put it there. This one. This one was the most. This stone was the most expensive one. Expensive one. When I bought them. This one is gonna be for me, the big one, because I need this in my life. I'm gonna put this big one here. Okay guys, and that's it. Look, the beautiful. Don't get, frustrated by the black. It's the center who's gonna be beautiful. Maybe look at this one here. So we're gonna wait 24 to 78 hours to come back and cut this soap and see the inside. And we're back. Look at this beautiful soap. I really love this color. I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna love it because the fragrance smell amazing. And look at those stones. We're gonna take the soap out of the mold, and let's see the inside. I think this is the best part of making soap, is that you're gonna see the inside, how it look like. So let's take it out. Let's put it in on top of the cheese coater. I don't have a big coater, soap coater, but I hope that I buy one soon. But for now, this is okay. So let's gonna place it in the 1 inch mark, and let's see how it look the inside. These stones are so big, but you're gonna really love it. And look at that! Oh my God! Look at the line. Look, everything is perfect in this soap. See, I told you guys, don't worry about the black in the top. The inside is gonna be beautiful, with a lot of swear. I don't know how to say that, but with a lot of movement in the soap inside. a lot of lines. Let's keep coating the soap, and let me just move it a little bit, and let's see how this one look. And look at that! Oh my God! And the fragrance, it is over the top. It is so beautiful, smell amazing, and you guys are gonna love it.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark, against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Thank you guys to get to the end of this video. Here is the soap. Look how beautiful, how amazing. Look, the stone is so big, and the design of the color turns out the way I wanted, the way I designed. The smell of the soap fragrance, I cannot ask for a better scent. If you like this soap, it's going to be available September 29 after 8 a.m. at www.royallovec05.com. Here is the soap one more time. How beautiful it looks. It smells amazing. My recipe is down below if you guys want to know all the ingredients that I use. All 2 of them are organic ingredient. If you want to support my channel, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comment and your thumbs up, and share this video. That way I will reach more people. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.